If you own a home healthcare business and you're thinking about retiring or transitioning out in the next few years, now is the perfect time to start preparing. The truth is, the earlier you plan, the smoother and more profitable your exit will be. Many owners wait until they're ready to sell before taking action, but the best results come from strategic preparation, usually 2 to 3 years before you list the business. Here's what that looks like. Buyers pay a premium for agencies that don't rely on the owner. Start delegating key responsibilities like scheduling, compliance, billing, and HR to your trusted managers. Document their roles and make sure there's a clear chain of command. This not only adds value, but also gives buyers confidence the agency will run smoothly after you step away. Your financials tell the story of your business. Make sure your books are accurate, your payroll is clean, and your revenue sources are clearly organized. If you've been running some personal expenses through the business, start separating those out now. A lender and a buyer want clean, verifiable numbers that they can rely on. Before you go to market, make sure all your state and federal licenses, accreditations, and certifications are current and transferable. Buyers and regulators alike want a smooth transition with no compliance issues. If there are any deficiencies, correct them early, not during due diligence. You will want to review where your referrals are coming from. If one hospital or discharge planner is responsible for most of your patients, work on broadening your referral network. A balanced mix of referral sources means less risk and higher value. Buyers don't just want to buy numbers, they buy confidence. Have a clear story about your business's growth, culture, and what makes it unique. That story helps buyers see the potential for continued success after you exit. Preparing your home healthcare business for sale takes time, but the effort pays off. With the right planning, you can protect your legacy, your staff, and your financial future. I'm Joel Higginbotham with JMH Business Advisors. If you like a confidential conversation about what your business might be worth or how to start preparing for a sale, visit jmhbusinessadvisors.com or reach out anytime. The value of your book of business is a critical piece of the puzzle when selling a business. By understanding its worth, you'll be better positioned to negotiate the best possible deal. If you're thinking about selling, I can help you plan a strategy that protects your business, your team, and your value. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact me and like and subscribe to this channel to learn more about selling your business.